The green hue in night vision goggles is used because human eyes are especially sensitive to green light, allowing for better contrast and clearer visibility in low-light environments. Here's how it works. The human eye can differentiate shades of green more effectively than any other color. This is because the photoreceptors in our eyes, particularly the cones that detect light and color, are most sensitive to the green wavelength. Using green allows night vision devices to display images with the most detail and clarity for the viewer. Green phosphor screens in night vision devices improve contrast, making it easier to distinguish shapes, edges, and details in a dimly lit environment. Since night vision goggles are meant to amplify ambient light, green offers an optimal blend of visibility and depth perception. Looking through green images for extended periods is less fatiguing for the human eye compared to other colors, like blue or red. Since military personnel may use night vision for long operations, minimizing eye strain is crucial for sustained effectiveness. Traditional night vision technology, which is based on image intensification, amplifies visible light and displays it on a phosphor screen. Green phosphor screens are particularly efficient in these devices, helping enhance the brightness and detail needed for critical tasks in dark settings. This green display has become the standard in night vision technology, ensuring that military personnel can operate effectively and comfortably in low light or nighttime conditions. Do subscribe and like our videos.